While Mnangagwa did not identify the puppets, ZANU-PF has in the past characterized opposition political parties, particularly the MDC, and its successor, the CCC, as surrogates of the United States of America and countries in Europe. Addressing hundreds of ZANU-PF supporters at Bata Shoe Company in Gweru on 23 June, Mnangagwa said, "We will never allow for puppets to rule this country," adding, "They sanctioned us because we want to determine our own destiny. Germany, Japan, France and other Western countries are building their own countries. Can we, therefore, be stupid to have foreigners determine the development of our country? Yes, they can come with investments, but with no strings attached." Mnangagwa also castigated the Mthwakazi Republic Party, MRP, saying the opposition party's activists were possessed by evil spirits. He reiterated his stance that Zimbabwe will remain a republic and a unitary state. In March this year, Mnangagwa warned MRP activists that their lives will be shortened. He issued the chilling warning while addressing a rally in Chittingwiza ahead of the 26 March by-elections. MRP is pushing for the separation of Matabeleland provinces, Bulawayo and part of Midlands Province from the rest of the country. During his visit to the Midlands Province, Mnangagwa toured Sino Zimbabwe Cement, Lasafar, and Bata.